I didn't invent the minimalist wallet. In fact, I've been using them for most of my life. But I felt like the ones I was using cut out the functionality along with the bulk, and I knew I could make something better. Specifically, I wanted a wallet that was thin, gave me easy access to everything inside, and was made with high-quality materials that would look and feel good now and only get better with age. First, the width. There's nothing in this wallet that isn't absolutely necessary. Yet even at just 1/8 of an inch thick, it has 3 pockets, an internal, more secure pocket, and 2 external pockets for your everyday needs. Second, we've designed the wallet with patent-pending cutouts, making it so that you can easily push your cards from the bottom, fanning them out so that you can identify the card you need, leaving everything else in its place. We tested various materials, but ultimately chose a full-grain calfskin from a French tannery that has been perfecting their craft since the 16th century. This leather's characteristics include a tighter grain and softer feel, maintaining just the right amount of friction to keep everything in its place, while giving you a look and feel that only improves with age. Because adjusting the design by a single millimeter could be the difference between whether your cards stay in or not, I partnered with a pattern maker with nearly 50 years of experience creating leather goods for some of the best and biggest names in the world. With the most intricate details that can only be done by hand. You can't perfect something you use so frequently without considering every last detail. And we're proud to say we do it all here in New York City. I'm excited to bring you what I believe is the best and most accessible wallet ever made.
My associate Francesco and I grew up together, and we have always dreamed of creating something which in its own small way could help simplify people's everyday lives. Our favorite pastime as children was inventing and constructing new ideas. But unfortunately, without investments, we couldn't bring our ideas to life. So with the savings we were able to put together, we invented Merry Autumn and Slim Wallet. But to keep it going, we need your help. It all started one day by looking at my own wallet and realizing that apart from it being old and ugly, that it was awkward and uncomfortable to have in your back pocket. Slim Wallet is small, compact, and it only takes up 1/3 of the space of a normal sized wallet. Slim Wallet can be easily carried in your front pocket, so no more sitting on your wallet damaging your credit cards and no more pickpocketing. This product is 100% Italian, made with Italian hands and high quality Italian materials. Slim Wallet is produced by well-known historical Florentine craftsman who has fallen in love with the project. We carefully monitor each phase of production very closely. Everyone needs a wallet able to contain banknotes, loose change and cards. Old-fashioned wallets contain all these things, but they are bulky. They are wallets as big as ours, but none of them are able to contain all 3. Our wallet is the only compact wallet able to contain banknotes, loose change, and cards. It's perfect for guys who need something practical, which they can keep in their front pocket. It's perfect for those who, like us, often move by car.
I was immediately intrigued and engaged by the philosophy of the Merry Autumn project, and how it represented the perfect harmony between style and functionality. For this, I left a secure job and jumped into this adventure with my eyes closed. The only obstacle to our dreams is the economical factor. We're not being able to promote a brand in the best way. We're having to use
Jake is always on the go. His car, it's like a second office to him. With his ever-changing schedule, he needed a way to keep his friends and colleagues up to date on his ETA while driving, without using his phone. With his NAVD on board, he can stay connected while keeping his eyes on the road ahead.
Take me to Sophie's office.
Starting trip to Sophie's office.
As usual, Jake was running behind, so he shared his trip and ETA to keep Sophie in the loop on his arrival time. She is waiting for him when she gets his message. She can see Jake's up-to-the-minute ETA and where he is on the map. While continuing on his trip, he gets a message. It's from his friend Dan.
Are we still meeting up at 5:45 for dinner?
Jake holds down the dial to respond using Siri.
Send a text to Dan. On my way to pick up Sophie. We'll let you know when I'm headed your way.
Sophie can see that Jake is just around the corner. When Jake arrives, she jumps in the car and they head off to see Dan. Jake lets Dan know he's on his way with a short message and an ETA. Meanwhile, on the other side of town, Dan can see that his friends are only a few minutes away, so he doesn't have to worry about when they'll arrive. While on the go, driving safe and staying connected can be difficult. With NAVD, it's easy to share your location and arrival time, so your day never has to skip a beat, and neither does theirs.
Two years ago, we set out to change the way backpacks are used. We redesigned everything. Every seam and buckle, and we released Joey. And you loved it. All your support inspired us to challenge ourselves even further. So we started thinking about today's wallets. Let's face it. Wallets are either bulky and uncomfortable, or way too minimal. So we came up with something new. It combines handcrafted traditional materials with an innovative design. Meet Jin. Jin has just 2 compartments. You can access everything you need in one swift motion. The stainless steel clip can hold 10 cards, 20 bills, or any combination of the two, so there's no wasted space. Coins? Jin has a pocket that holds everything, from coins to keys to USB sticks. We've also given Jin a concealed drawer for the small items you need to keep safe. Oh, and once again, we've got your back. Jin comes with an RFID blocking card, so forget about your information being stolen. Everything about this wallet is thin and light. We make it out of leather or microfiber, so you can choose the style that's right for you. Jin is tiny, but it's got room for everything you need. Every day, everywhere. This is our second campaign, and once again, we're ready for production. We just need your support to make it happen. From our whole team here at Koala Gear, we want to thank you for bringing Jin to life.